everyone, it's Lindsay from the Safety Harbor Community Center, ready to have some real fun. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make friendship bracelets. So you're only going to need 3 materials to make these friendship bracelets. You're going to need string, colors of your choice. I picked 3 different colors. You can do more than that if you'd like. I also grabbed some tape to tape the bracelet down as I make it, and then a pair of scissors to cut the string. So next you're going to want to get your string and lay it out, and then grab each piece and make sure they're lined up at the end. You're just going to want to pull it so that all the string is straight and it's not tangled. You're also going to want to make sure that you cut the pieces long enough because you are going to be tying knots, so it's going to get shorter as you go, and you want to make sure it's long enough to fit around your wrist. So next you're going to make a loop with the string, and you're going to want to pull the ends through and go ahead and tie it off at the end so that you have a nice knot. So next you're going to take your tape and you're going to rip a piece off. And this is going to be used to hold down your bracelet and keep it in place so that it's not moving around while you're trying to make it. Okay, so for this type of bracelet, you're going to be doing the same pattern throughout the whole thing. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick the color you're going to start with. I'm going to pick blue, and then you're going to take your other 2 strings in your other hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull the blue underneath the other 2 strings, and then you're going to go over the other 2 strings that you're holding and pull it through the circle that you just made. It's going to create a loop, and you're just going to want to pull that all the way up and make sure it's nice and tight. So you're going to be doing that technique throughout the whole thing. So I zoomed in a bit so that you could see kind of better what I'm doing. So again, I'm taking that string under my other 2 and then pulling it through the hole, making that loop at the end, and then pulling all the strings tight until I make a knot at the very top. So that's my 3rd knot of the blue. I'm going to go ahead and keep going until I get to 10, and then I'll show you how I switch colors. Okay, so this is my 10th knot of the blue string. So now I'm going to pull the blue back into my left hand, and I'm going to go ahead and take pink and bring it out to the right. And you're just going to repeat the same pattern. So you're going to bring it under and then over and through, and then pulling it tight. And same thing, I'm going to keep it consistent with the 10 knots of each color. And this is my 10th knot. And so now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to switch to my yellow string. I've repeated the pattern 3 times now, so I want to see how much more I have to do. So I'm gonna take it and measure it around my wrist just to kind of get an idea of how many more times I have to go through the pattern. Okay, so I went ahead and did the pattern one more time. Now I'm gonna take the tape off and measure it against my wrist again. So it looks like I've done enough for my bracelet for it to fit my wrist. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it off here. And here's what it looks like on. You can go ahead and trim these strings if you want. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching.